Welcome to InvestoSphere. If you're a teen with ambition, creativity, and a desire to make your mark online, this video is for you. Today, we are diving deep into how you can start your very own online business as a teenager and set yourself up for long-term success. This isn't just another motivational talk. This is a step-by-step guide with real strategies, tools, and methods that are working right now. By the end of this video, you'll have the full blueprint to go from zero to running a profitable online business, no matter your age. Let's get started. Number 1, mindset matters first. Before we get into tools and tactics, let's talk about mindset. As a teen, you might feel like you don't have enough experience, skills, or resources. But here's the truth. Many successful online entrepreneurs started with nothing. What set them apart was their belief, their willingness to learn, and their consistency. You need to treat your online business like a real business, not just a side hobby. Stay curious, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to fail. Failure is where you learn the most. Number 2, identify your interests and strengths. The best businesses are built around things you're passionate about. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What kind of content do you consume most? Whether it's gaming, fitness, art, writing, coding, or fashion, there's a market for everything online. Once you know your strengths and interests, it becomes easier to choose your business model. Number 3, choose the right business model. Here are some online business models that work especially well for teens. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok account around your niche. Print on demand. Design shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online without holding inventory. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission on each sale. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, study guides, or courses. Freelancing. Offer services like graphic design, writing, video editing, or social media management. Dropshipping. Create an online store and sell products without storing inventory. Pick one model to start with. Don't try everything at once. Number 4, validate your idea. Don't just build something and hope people will come. Validate your idea by doing the following. Search for competitors in your niche. See what's working for them. Join communities or forums where your target audience hangs out. Ask for feedback before launching. If people are already spending money in that space, that's a good sign. Your job is to offer something unique or better. Number 5, build your brand. Now it's time to create your digital identity. Choose a business name that reflects your niche. Create a logo using free tools like Canva. Set up a simple website or social media profile to showcase your brand. Make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms. Number 6, create content and build an audience. Content is your greatest weapon. Whether you're selling something or offering services, content builds trust. Start with short-form content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Post consistently and provide value. Educate, entertain, or inspire. Use call to actions to guide viewers to your product or offer. Number 7, set up payment and legal structure. Even as a teen, you can still get paid legally. Ask a parent to help you set up a PayPal, Stripe, or other online payment account. If you're under 18, some platforms require a guardian's approval. Consider learning about taxes and legal requirements early on so you're set up properly. Number 8, use free tools and resources. As a teen entrepreneur, you might not have much money, but that's okay. There are tons of free tools available. Website builders, Card, Wix, or WordPress. Design tools, Canva, Photopea. Marketing tools, MailChimp for email lists. Learning platforms, YouTube, Coursera, Khan Academy. Invest time in learning instead of money in tools, at least in the beginning. Number 9, promote and scale. Once you've built the foundation, it's time to grow. Collaborate with others in your niche. Run small giveaways to attract followers. Reinvest profits into ads or better tools. Expand your content across platforms. Eventually, you can create passive income streams like automated courses, affiliate commissions, and more. Number 10, stay consistent and keep learning. The most important thing? Don't stop. Some days will be tough. Some videos won't get views. Some products won't sell. But every failure is a lesson. Keep testing, improving, and learning. That's how you build a business that lasts. So, there you have it, the complete roadmap to starting an online business as a teen. The earlier you start, the better your chances of mastering the game. Don't wait until you're older. Start now. Make mistakes, learn fast, and take control of your future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, drop a comment with your favorite tip or idea, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more real-world strategies on building wealth online. Now let me ask you this. What's stopping you from starting your online business today? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone.